A very quick one. To find the value of x in this initial equation, very simple. All we have to do is transfer 144 to this side of the equation to have that x raised to the power 4 minus 144 is equals to 0. Now, we can express both of them as the index of 2 to have that x squared all raised to the power 2, which is the same thing as x raised to the power 4 minus 12 squared. Of course, 12 squared is 144, then equals to 0. Now, if we apply the concept of difference of 2 squared, because if you observe these two expressions here are raised to the power of 2 and we have negatives separating them. So applying the concept of difference of 2 squares, open 2 bracket, plus in one, then minus in the other one, equals 0. So of course we have x squared is double, then put another one here. 12 is double, so put one of the 12 here, put one of the 12 here. Now we have these two brackets multiplying themselves, equals 0. What do we do? If the product of two brackets is equals to 0, that means that either of these two brackets, x squared plus 12, is equals to 0, or x squared minus 12 is equals to 0. So in return, if we solve for the value of x here, we're going to have that x squared is equals to negative 12, or here, x squared is equals, transferring negative 12 to the other side of the equation, we're going to have positive 12. Getting the value of x implies that we'll have to find the square root of both sides of the equation. So that case, x becomes square root of negative 12. Of course, we have our plus and minus. So in return, or here, x is equals to square root of 12. Now, simplifying 12 to the simplest form of sort. That simply means that, of course, you know that x is equals to plus or minus square root of negative 12 is an imaginary number. That should be 12i. So splitting 12 in the simplest form of sort, we have that x is equals to plus or minus. Of course, 12 is 4 times 3. So square root of 4 is 2. So that is 2 sod 3i. Or here, x becomes, that is x equals plus or minus 2 sod 3. And this becomes our result. Bye-bye.